Most men will stay broke their entire lives. No savings, no investments, no real financial freedom. Why? Because they've been programmed to fail. Society, their habits, their mindset, it's all working against them. But in this video, I'm going to break down exactly why most men stay broke, and more importantly, how you can escape the trap and start building real wealth. Before we dive in, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps the channel and gets this message out to more people who need to hear it. Thanks. Let's get into it. Number one, the reason most men stay broke. Here's the cold hard truth. Most men stay broke because they trade their time for money. You go to work, punch that clock, get a paycheck, and repeat. But here's the problem. Time is limited. You can only work so many hours in a day and get paid. The average person thinks, I need to work harder to make more money. Wrong. You need to work smarter. The real key is to stop relying on one income stream. Wealthy men don't just have jobs, they have assets. They own businesses, they invest, they create passive income. Most broke men, they just grind at their job, hoping for a raise that never comes. Solution? Stop trading time for money and start thinking like an owner, not a worker. Hit that like button. It helps more guys break out of this trap. Thanks. 2, the mindset that keeps you poor. Your mindset is everything. Most broke men have a scarcity mindset. They are afraid to take risks. They think money is hard to get or rich people just got lucky. This, I hate to inform you, is complete nonsense. The rich think differently. They see money as a tool, not something to be hoarded. They take calculated risks. They focus on increasing their value, not cutting coupons. Example, instead of worrying about saving $5 on a coffee, think about how you can make an extra $500 today. Solution? Shift your mindset. Stop being scared of money. Learn about investing. Learn about business. Learn about making money work for you instead of working for it. If this is hitting home, drop a comment below and let me know what's your biggest financial struggle right now. Let us all chime in and help you, including myself. 3, the system is rigged against you. Let's be real. The system doesn't want you to be rich. Schools don't teach financial literacy. They teach you how to be an obedient worker. Get good grades, go to college, get a job, and stay in debt for life. Banks? They want you drowning in loans. Credit card companies, they want you paying interest forever. And the worst part, most men play along into this nonsense, this repetitive cycle. They finance cars they can't afford. They take on student loans for degrees they will never even use. They spend everything they make instead of investing it first. Solution? Learn how money works. Understand that debt is a trap unless you're using it to invest in cash flowing assets. Break free from the system by educating yourself and by hitting that subscribe button and the like button and getting new knowledge twice a week you can actually use. 4, the 3-step blueprint to getting rich. All right, so how do you escape being broke? Here's the simple 3-step blueprint. Step 1, increase your income by any means. Most men settle for low-paying jobs and never learn high-income skills. If you're making under $100K a year, your priority should be increasing your earning potential. That's it. Learn skills that make money: sales, copywriting, digital marketing, investing, coding, etc. Start a side hustle. Negotiate your salary. Step 2, stop wasting money. Please, you don't need to live like a monk, but most broke men are broke because they spend like idiots. Stop financing liabilities, cars, expensive clothes, pointless gadgets. Cut out dumb expenses and start saving aggressively. Use your money to build wealth, not impress people. Step 3. Invest and multiply your money. Saving isn't enough. You need to grow your money. Start investing in stocks, for instance, real estate like me, or a business or businesses like me as well. Learn about passive income. Focus on ownership. Own assets that make money for you. You do these 3 things, you will get rich, period, over time. Take action or stay broke. At the end of the day, you have 2 choices. 1, keep doing what you're doing, stay broke, and complain about it for your whole life. 2, take action, learn, and change your financial future. No one is coming to save you. The government won't help. Your job won't help. The only person responsible for your wealth is you. So right now, I want you to make a decision. Are you going to be like most men and stay broke? Or are you going to level up and start building real wealth for you, your family, your future kids, whoever? If you're serious, drop a comment below. I'm building wealth. I want to see how many of you are actually committed. And if you got value, smash that like button. Let's get this message out there. Let's come together as a community and help each other. Check out my other videos to level up as well. Stay focused, stay hungry, and I will see you on the next one.